Today, I will share with you, it's a slaughter for lazy people, egg fried rice.
简单易学，懒速厨房。
Food ingredients: a bowl of hot rice, 2 eggs, pepper, scallions, oil, salt, vinegar. Let's start. Fire, refuel, moisten pot. Crack an egg. And another one. Fry the egg into its solid. Then add the hot rice. Use a spatula to press the rice apart. This is why we need to use hot rice. Hot rice is easier to stir fry. Stir fry over high heat to create Maillard reaction, which is what we usually call wok flavor. Add salt, monosodium glutamate. Add more pepper. Finally, sprinkle with scallions and stir fry a few times. A bowl of steaming and delicious egg fried rice is ready. Make a point. Don't use round polished rice, but use the slender shorn rice. Hot rice saves the spatula. 1 egg is really not enough. Pepper can enhance the flavor. Green onion, this is faith. Use a manual. Hannon people can eat like this. Shandong people can eat like this. Cantonese pretend to be French to eat like this. Okay, see you next week.